everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a beachy waves tutorial. Last time we did a soft waves tutorial. The difference between soft and beachy, I don't know if I mentioned it in the last video, but soft, they kind of fall into each other and create like a softer, more glamorous look, I would say. And then beachy is a little bit more laid back, kind of just like woke up and this is what I look like kind of look. Well, I'm starting off with my hair blow dried. I got my hair blow dried a couple of days ago. Been up in a ponytail and a bun for a while. I'm talking with my hands a lot. What is this? That's why it has a lot of folds and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and brush all the folds out. And I'm gonna be using my wet brush. Look how cute this on a wet brush is. For those of you who don't know what a wet brush is, basically what it is, it's a brush that the bristles kind of move with the hair so it doesn't snag or pull or tug on your hair, and it's so easy to use and it actually works really well. If you don't have a wet brush, definitely pick one up. So normally I would spray my hair with a little bit of texturizer or volumizer or hairspray, but today I'm not going to do that just because my hair already has like texture to it, and either way my hair holds curl really well. And when I got my hair blow dried, they already put in a heat protectant, so I don't have to worry about that. So today I'm going to be using the 1-inch Paul Mitchell Gold Hot Tool, the one with the clamp. I feel like it's easier to stretch out the ends with the regular clamped curling iron. So the trick to beachy waves is basically that you want to alternate direction, but the way that I like to do them is that I don't like to alternate direction in this area right here. So everything so everything in front of the ear is going to be away from the face. I like to do it that way, like everything in front of the ear away from the face, just because it frames the face better and you don't have like that random like going towards the face look. I don't know, it's not cute. I don't like it. I'm sure you guys don't like it. So this is the way to avoid that look. Just like the soft waves, I'm gonna start with the bottom panels. I like to do it this way, clip it out of the way. And again, just like the soft waves, we're gonna start clamping from the top. And again, the size of the parting is going to differ with the size of the barrel curling iron that you have. So right there, I got to the end and kind of like slid it out. So you just do one of those. So the partings for the beachy waves are just going to be a tad bit smaller than the ones from the soft waves because they are going to be facing different directions, so you want to make sure that the heat is evenly distributed throughout the section, if that makes any sense. So then this one I'm going to do the opposite direction. Okay, half turn, let go, half turn, let go, and then when you have like a little tail like that, you just kind of slide it out and create like a flat iron kind of situation. Okay, this one I'm going to go the opposite direction. So you're curling and letting go at the same time. And then when you get to the end, you pull it straight out. You don't have to be super precise. Like if you don't remember what direction you went last, you don't have to like freak out about it. Just make sure that you just, you know, go back and forth. And at the end of the day, beachy waves are supposed to look a little messy. So if they're not perfect, it's totally fine. I don't know if this is confusing, but I clipped out like everything in front of my ear because that's all going to be like away from the face. Okay, and now we're getting to everything in front of the ear. Push everything back. And everything around your face, you're gonna go away from the face as if you were doing soft waves. And then up here, I'm gonna do a little bit more of like a slanted situation because I don't like harsh lines around my face, like harsh parting lines. But always keeping that away from the face movement. For the face frame, I like to pull kind of straight out. Ta-da! So I think maybe you guys can see it a little bit better on this side, what I did on the other side for the face framing. I don't know if it's a little bit confusing, I don't know if I'm rambling too much, but I like swear by going away from the face in the front area. Okay, so again, starting from the bottom, back section, we're alternating direction. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. You don't have to do exactly what you did on the other side, it's just kind of like just alternate whatever direction your hand feels like going, honestly. And remember to pull out the ends so they're a little bit straighter. Okay, and when you're done curling, you're gonna wanna let it cool for about 10 to 15 minutes. Normally I would go in and spray some hairspray now, but I honestly don't even need it. If you guys are doing these at home, for sure, use some kind of like setting spray at the end to make sure that your curls are going to last, especially if you have like thinner textured hair. That's Odin, my baby. And yeah, all right, so I'm gonna go ahead and let these cool, and then I'll be right back to brush them out. So I'm not gonna use a hairspray or a texturizer, but I am going to use my absolute favorite product in the whole wide world, which is the Amica Primer. This thing is literally my everything. It's the best thing I've ever tried. It is a little pricey, and I believe you can only purchase it at Ulta or anywhere that sells Amica. It is a professional product, so I'm able to get it at the licensed professional stores, but I love it so much. It's the best thing ever. It says it's for use only on damp hair, but I'm gonna go ahead and use it to brush out my curls because it is a little bit of an oily consistency, and it's gonna help me run my fingers through my hair. So just gonna go ahead and unlock it. Just spritz a little bit because a little bit goes a long way, and the mist is huge, as you guys can see that. It is a really oily product, so it adds shine, and I don't know, it's great. It's a great product. So I'm gonna go ahead and run it through my mids and ends, and I like to get the little flyaways up top too. And then we're gonna grab our wet brush and brush the waves through. Now you can do this with your hands, or you can do it with a brush or a comb, but look at that. So Beachy waves are a little bit more voluminous because you're alternating direction. You get more of like that push, if that makes any sense. Since like a curl is on top of another curl, it like pushes it up. It makes sense in my brain. I can't put it into words, but yeah. Okay, and then I'm gonna run my fingers through. Guys, so my camera totally overheated on me, and so I'm having to show you guys with my phone. I hope you guys don't mind, but this is what the Beachy waves look like. They're a little bit more tight, a little bit more voluminous. Honestly, they're good for any kind of event. I feel like whether it's a daytime event, a nighttime event, I don't know. I feel like it goes well with something dressy, something not dressy. I don't know. I think beach waves are perfect for any time of the day, any day of the week. I just love this style so much. It's so like effortless. I'm gonna go ahead and link down below my soft waves tutorial as well as my salon blowout at home video, so you guys can go ahead and watch those if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for more hair videos to come. Let me know if you have any other ideas or anything else that you'd like to see, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.